Hi there. Welcome back to English Trend, where we make learning English grammar easy and fun. Today, we're diving into question tags, those little endings like isn't it and don't you that we add to sentences. They might seem tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be using them like a pro. Let's get started. Question tags are short questions added to the end of a sentence, usually to confirm information or ask for agreement. For example, you're coming to the party, aren't you? It's a beautiful day, isn't it? They're like little check-ins to make sure we're on the same page with the listener. Simple, right? The golden rule for question tags is, if the main sentence is positive, the tag is negative. And if the main sentence is negative, the tag is positive. Let's look at some examples. Positive. You like coffee, don't you? Negative. You don't like tea, do you? Easy enough to remember. It's all about balance. Next, we need to match the question tag's auxiliary verb to the verb in the main sentence. For example, she is happy, isn't she? They have finished, haven't they? You went to the store, didn't you? Notice how the auxiliary verb reflects the tense of the main sentence. Pay attention to the subject of the sentence. The pronoun in the question tag must match the subject. For example, John is a teacher, isn't he? The children are playing, aren't they? If the subject is this or that, we use it in the tag. If it's these or those, we use they. Did you know that your tone of voice can change the meaning of a question tag? If your intonation rises at the end, you're asking a real question. If it falls, you're just confirming something. Listen to the difference. Rising. You're coming, aren't you? I'm not sure, I'm asking. Falling. You're coming, aren't you? I'm confident, I'm confirming. Of course, there are always exceptions in English. Here are a few to keep in mind. With I am, the tag is aren't I. I'm early, aren't I? Imperatives often use will you or won't you? Pass me the salt, will you? Close the door, won't you? Let's uses shall we? Let's go for a walk, shall we? And that's it for today's lesson on question tags. They're not as tricky as they seem, are they? With a little practice, you'll be using them confidently in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Bye for now.